work. You're going to want one of these.
Hey View Crew, welcome back to ViewProof. Today we'll be reviewing the M3B standing manual desk by Flexispot. Guys, just right up front, this is a desk you're gonna wanna buy, so stick around to see why. Now, the price of this is about $300. It was about $350 when we first bought it, so there's been about a $50 price reduction. So this is a great time to get it. But let's talk about, D, why should people go out and buy this? Why is it worth that price tag?
So let's start with the pros.
Yep.
First of all, there's a lot of desk space. I mean, we've got two 32-inch Dell monitors on this thing. Even with all that weight on there, we can lift it up and down pretty smoothly, wouldn't you say?
Definitely. I mean, we've got pushing almost 40 pounds, almost hitting the max capacity on there. And it does take a little arm strength, but we can definitely get it up there. Something that I love about it is it's got a quick release keyboard on there, which is super nice because if you want to stand up, you can push that keyboard in there and you've got it. Or if you want to sit down and just, you don't want it in your space because you want to write, you just 2 thumbs down, pull it right out, and it's out of there. The other thing I like about that keyboard tray, they put a keyboard stopper right at the edge. That way, you don't fling your keyboard right off the side. So it's nice to have that little stopper on there, just a little touch.
Absolutely. And from weight-wise, it can hold about 44 pounds.
Yeah, 44.
And we're probably pushing, what, 36 pounds right now?
Yeah, 36 to 40, depending on what we have.
Would you say it's still pretty easy to lift up and down?
Easy.
So exactly. And from desk to standing up, there's about 12 different height levels that you can adjust it to on the way up.
Now, D, with all those pros out there, I mean, it's a great product, but it does have a few cons. Number one is it's heavy. It's bulky, it's wood, it's metal. You're not going to be, transporting this from one workspace to another. Don't even think about that. It is super heavy. And the other con I would say with this, and this would be the only other one, but this goes without saying, is it's a manual desk, guys. So there's no electric button to push that you see in some of those fancy offices, but it's coming at, a fraction of the cost of an electric desk. So, I mean, what are you gonna do? Exactly. But let's talk about all those specs. For all you speccy nerds out there, here it is.
Well, it's 66 pounds. I mean, out of the box, it's 66 pounds. There's really nothing to assemble except for the keyboard. That's right. And that's just slide it in. Like you said, Trey, when you put it on the desk, it's there. And it's not going to move around. Height adjustment, what would you say?
Height adjustment is about 5.9 to 19.7 inches that you can, in those 12 levels.
In those 12 levels. It's wider in the back than it is in the front. Plenty of desk space. At its base in the back, it's about 47 inches, right? Yeah. And about 23 deep, right? So you're talking about massive space, especially when you can put 2 32-inch Dell monitors on there, flat screen Dell monitors. So plenty of desk space.
Yeah, and definitely kind of going back to those specs, at 66 pounds, that's for the desk alone, guys. When you throw on another
36 pounds
for us, considering our screens and the computer on there, you're looking at 90 pounds. And so you're going to notice the heavier you put on there, and the max weight is 44 pounds that they recommend on there. But what you're going to notice is it's going to be a little harder to pull up. So if you got smaller screens, it's going to be super easy to pull up.
But it goes down pretty easy. Even with all that weight.
Either way, I would say, even at, we're almost pushing the max weight on there, and we're still able to get it up. So it's not a biggie, guys, if you have big screens like
and
us.
Most people aren't going to have 2 32-inch Dell
you're probably not going to have it, so you're going to be fine. You're going to definitely be fine. And going back to that shape of the desk, you've got those 47 inches, so you can get those monitors on there perfectly.
Right. And we have them kind of tilted, right? You don't have them completely flat. So and you could have it that way if you want it, right?
Yeah, you could get it how you want. All right, D, with those pros, with those cons, and the specs, do you recommend people go out and get this?
You should have bought it yesterday. I mean, seriously, this thing will do wonders for you. I mean, they say sitting is a new smoking, right?
I agree.
And I'm going to tell you what, your back's going to love you.
Yeah, your back and your butt are going to love you. For me, I've loved having this desk because it allows me to break up the monotony in my day. I sit in front of a screen all day, guys, and I'm sure many of you guys do. This allows me to stand up, and I actually do leg exercises while I'm standing up. I do little calf raises to kind of get a little something in during the day. So make sure to hit those links down below, guys. You're going to want to pick one of these up for your home and your office. That's how good it is. It's going to save your back and your butt. While you guys are down there, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later, ViewProof.